Hey guys, hope you all doing good and being safe. Today we are going to see an important topic which we have to know in this period. If you are new to this video, I am Dr. Jansi. My goal is very simple. It is to help you people become best version of yourself and being healthy. If you want to work with me, do subscribe to this channel and also you can reach me at my Instagram Nourish with me. So everyone know that nowadays this Delta variant is battling even the children more and more deadly. The thing is we do not have a vaccine for the children less than 12 years of age. So the antibodies what we adults have from being vaccinated, the children they just don't have the capacity to fight for the infection like coronavirus if they don't do the vaccination. New evidence suggests that teens and adults are at great risk of developing coronavirus with severe symptoms if they are infected with the Delta variant. Adults with the COVID-19 can expect to suffer with the symptoms like fever, headache, cough, and breathing difficulties. But children with Delta variants are presenting with additional symptoms like nausea or vomiting, diarrhea, abdominal pain, rashes, neck pain, red eyes, red cracked lips, swollen hands or feet, swollen lymph nodes. If your child have any of these symptoms, the best thing to do just to contact your GP or the doctor. Then the doctor can decide whether your child have the COVID-19 or not and help you to keep your child at home and treat, or whether you have to take further management. Now we will see what we should do to protect your child from the Delta variant or COVID-19. Parents are the best person who can protect their child than the others, right? So before you considering to send your kids to school, the one thing you would ask to your school management to see if the school personnel are being vaccinated or not. Other staff who are working around the school who are eligible to get the vaccination should get the vaccine. And secondly, mask is mandated. It's very important, something that CDC website has recommended to all the people, even to the children. So all the children above the age of 2 years should wear the mask. And the next thing, hand washing and social distancing. Just make them habit to do the hand washing whenever they are getting into the school or the houses and touching the other object. They should have to wash their hand. And the social distancing also very significant for the children. Even teach your children importance of masking and social distancing. Actually they can understand more what we know. Make them to be habits of this new normal life. How we are teaching them to wash their face or brushing their teeth, the same way we have to teach them to do masking, hand washing and social distancing. Okay, now we will see what adults can do themselves to protect the children. Significantly, experts say that vaccinations among adults is the best way to reduce the risk of infections among children. Keep in mind when you are around children, even outside of your family in area, to consider masking and keeping other children safe. If one is vaccinated, certainly within the family, parents should enjoy being around their children, know that being vaccinated they have take a first key step. For those unvaccinated parents, they certainly need to get the vaccination as soon as possible. And secondly, if one adult is symptomatic, being vaccinated or unvaccinated must do masking and keep others safe, including the children less than 12 years. And also, we are going to have to continue to be careful with the children in crowded areas where may be exposed to unvaccinated people. See guys, these are the things we have to follow to protect our children from the coronavirus. Okay guys, hope you all understand about the seriousness of Delta variant and how we can protect our children. Children are the future of next generation, so keep them safe and healthy as much as possible. See you all in another video. Until then, stay safe and healthy. Bye bye.